Explore the transformative power of grounding exercises and mindfulness techniques in this serene visual journey. From practicing the 5-4-3-2-1 exercise to connecting deeply with nature, each scene invites you to embrace the present moment. Experience the calm within as you engage in simple yet impactful practices that can elevate your mental wellness. Share these insights with your community and inspire a ripple effect of mindfulness. Together, we can nurture a supportive environment that fosters positivity and personal growth. Our mindset shift, mental wellness tips, reframe your mind, mindfulness practice. Embrace the journey towards mindfulness and let it transform your life one moment at a time. Remember, every small step counts in building a mindful and fulfilling life. Let nature and intentional practices bring you peace and clarity in your daily life. Embrace these moments of connection